Happy lunchtime, everybody. We are in Corozal town at June's Garden Kitchen. We're gonna have lunch here. Here's her menu. It's the 21st of May 2022. I'm gonna have cow foot soup. Where your Maria's gonna have something, but she's not sure yet.
Yeah.
But we'll figure it out. So let's go see Miss June and see how she's doing. Get a little gel for the hands. And let's see if she's here. Hello, Miss June. Here, you just open up and walk in. And this is the little dining area here. You can eat here or food to go. Hello, hello. Hello, Miss June, the Douglas.
Come in, Douglas.
All right. So this is Miss June's house,
What you doing out there?
and she makes delicious food here in her kitchen. I came to make a video of you because my last one didn't turn out.
Oh man, I'm thinking I'm a celebrity already.
I know, almost. Well, you're halfway there because you got celebrity on Maria's video.
Really?
Yeah. So this is Miss June, and she does all the delicious food here in Corozal.
Hello. How are you guys doing? Love you guys.
I was down by the beach. I saw you doing Zumba.
Oh, you see me?
I saw you doing Zumba.
But I'm 73, though.
You're 72 and
Yes,
doing Zumba.
the doctor said, Miss June, I saw you doing Zumba. I said, that was not me, that was my twin sister. Miss June, I know you. He said,
I know. When I zoomed in, I said,
Yes.
"Oh, that's Miss June right in the front, right in the front
Why
doing
me
Zumba."
not play? I do my thing, right? Douglas. I have the strength God give me there.
Exactly.
And I try to eat healthy, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
¿Cómo está, chica? Te ves hermosa, yeah. Thank you.
So this is Miss June's famous cow foot
Yes, taking out the
Look at
soup.
that.
Yes,
soup, and it's
everything
actually
in it.
made out of cow feet, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
It's
They're
good.
right there. They're right
It
there.
is really good stuff.
Yes.
I know you didn't put that piece
So
there.
I'm gonna order a cow foot soup.
Okay.
I'm gonna have a cow foot soup,
Two.
and I don't know what.
What you want to have, love?
And what
I
you
want
have?
panza.
What you have?
I
No,
cook
hay sopa, hay pollo horneado, pero yo lo puse acá, mira cuánto pollo.
Okay.
Ahora todo esto voy a hacer pequeño.
I got all that
There's my
nice chicken. Yeah, sweet chicken.
Mhm. See?
Hey,
And
careful,
there's my rice and beans, hot. You know?
Rice and beans,
And
freshly made.
there's my stew beef. There you go.
Stew beef.
And there's my chicken, my beans. Stew
Beans. Wow, stew
Stew
beans.
beans with coconut milk.
Yeah.
Okay, I want
And
the
here's the
stew beef
baked plantains.
with the rice and beans.
Okay.
You guys come to Corozal town.
And the
Make sure you
plantain.
pick at least one day and you come to Miss June and eat because it is so
Oh, you did?
good.
Eat there?
Yeah, we're gonna
Okay.
we're gonna eat here.
So we eat here. Okay. And then you want what you want them?
Maria?
Maria, what did you say you wanted?
The stew beef with
Stew beef with rice and
with
beans.
the rice and
We have,
beans.
we have lime, tamarindo, or orange juice.
Tamarino for me.
Yeah. You got Coke?
Yes.
I have Coke.
Okay. We got light and
I'm
real
addicted to
thing.
Coke, huh?
We got light and we got the real thing.
I want the real thing.
But as well, you get the real thing.
Exactly.
Willie, they're gonna eat there. You want one Coke, one real Coke, and she wants tamarindo. Right there.
That's like people drink light beer and non-alcoholic
Yes.
beer. Like, why?
What?
Did I drink water?
Why? If you want to take the 9-inch, take the whole 9-inch, not take
Exactly.
7.
Exactly.
I want the whole thing, Douglas.
Exactly.
Oh boy.
So this is it, guys. You come here to Miss June,
Yes.
come talk to her in the kitchen,
Welcome.
and she will take care of you, and you'll leave full
That's right.
and satisfied because the food is good. So I'll show you the food when we get it. We're gonna eat out in her dining room
Okay, I'm gonna
for the
sit-
very first time ever.
Yes, because we always take our food.
Yeah, we always take the food to
I
go.
feel an honor today that you're eating here.
Yeah. Hey, you want to say something for the camera?
Willie, say something
You
in the
want to say
camera.
something for the camera?
Say something about Miss June's.
Hello, how are you? Have a good day.
Okay, that's
All right, good enough.
soft and sweet.
Soft and sweet, yeah. All right, I'll be waiting out there
Okay,
then.
sure, Douglas, I'll attend to you right away.
That's it. We're gonna have a good meal. I'll show you it in a little bit when it gets out there. I hope the breeze is blowing because it's a warm day. Here we are waiting on the food. Miss June is getting it ready. You got tamarindo juice? Good.
Oh, it's delicious.
And I got Coca-Cola. Absolutely good. And this is the little dining room area here. Look at it. Very nice.
Tamarindo.
And you got a fan to keep us cold.
The tamarindo juice is very refreshing
It is.
because it's not as sweet. It's sour.
Yeah.
Really good.
I'll show you the food as soon as it gets here, guys. Hang on. The food has arrived. This here is cow foot soup. Yes, it's actually made out of cow feet. They are heavily cleaned, and I don't know what all the process is. Cow foot soup, a Belize especially, absolutely delicious. You get it with some white rice. They give you watermelon for dessert. And where are you, Maria? Got herself some rice and beans with stewed chicken, potato salad, and some watermelon also. And that's what you get here at Miss June. At June's Garden Kitchen. Really good. Let me try this cow foot soup out and I'll tell you how it goes. The way I eat this, I take a little spoonful of the rice and I dip a little bit of the cow foot broth and then chow away. This is the meat from the cow foot soup. That's all meat off the foot of the cow. Got a little bit of bones in there. Look at that. It's really tender, really delicious, really, really good. Recommended. Absolutely recommended.
Bye-bye. Hasta luego. Gracias.
Okay, Miss June gave us a dessert. I don't remember the name. If you know the name, let me know in the comments. But it is a Filipino dessert with coconut and some fruits and stuff like that in it, and condensed milk. I forgot the name. You know? Let me know in the comments.
It's fruit vegetable
Fruit mix.
cocktail.
Yeah, fruit cocktail
See
mix.
all the fruits mix here, and the coconut and the creamy stuff you see is condensed milk and coconut.
It
cream.
was taught to her by a Filipino
chef.
that she used to work with 40 years ago, maybe a long time ago. Let me know what it's called. Well, that's it. We are stuffed. The food is really, really good. So you remember Corozal Town, stop here at June's Garden Kitchen. You won't regret it. You'll thank me later. Right?
It's the best food. Best
Yeah.
food in Corozal.
Bye bye.